Following the damage done to the parish of St. James by Hurricane Melissa, Montego Bay United have had to relocate their players as they prepare for the restart of the Jamaica Premier League on December 7. According to the chairman of Montego Bay United, Yoni Epstein, the extent of the damage done to the parish meant they had to move the team to Kingston.
From the perspective of their homes, their families, you have varying degrees of loss. Obviously, the house in which the boys live in here in Montego Bay lost the roof. They've had, complete damage over there. So we've had to find alternative avenues for them. From that perspective, when you look at their personal homes, as I said, there's varying degrees of loss from minor damage to completely everything.
The last time Montego Bay United won the Premier League was back in 2016, but Epstein says the players will be motivated to deliver the title for the people of the parish this season.
My initial comments and conversations between the technical staff and the players, they are even more motivated now to win the league and to bring the cup back to Western Jamaica. They feel a greater sense of pride, they feel a greater sense of community, they feel a greater sense of responsibility to win the league this year, and that in May 2026, after the dust settles with Hurricane Melissa, that we as a town, as a city, as a parish, we have something to praise and something to be proud about.